Welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the Paxful website. You can find us in the description box down below this video. So I'm going to show you the front cover of this page. So it will say buy bookworms instantly. See how it works. You can click this link to go to YouTube and watch the video. Buy bookworms with Amazon gift card, PayPal, Western Union, One Manila gift card, or any credit or debit card. Or you can select any other payment methods that wasn't mentioned. Select amount to buy. How much do you want? You can go here and go look for your country. And it will say UK and bookworms. Over here it will say more than 300 ways to buy bookworms. You can buy bookworms with gift cards, cash deposits, online transfers, or debit card or credit card. Purchase easily, instant live chat, and safe and secure. Join Paxful Partner Program and earn bookworms. Do you want to easily refer a friend to buy bookworms? Monetize your site, blog, bookworms, wallet, or any app and become your own boss. How to earn profit selling bookworms on Paxful as a vendor. On Paxful, you can buy bookworms online, sell bookworms, trade with secure, escrow, build your reputation, get a free wallet, and earn a passive income. As seen on CoinDesk, Fox Business, CoinTeller, Bookworm Magazine, and BTCManager.com, formerly known as EasyBiz. Get free Paxful Bookworm wallet. Buy Bookworm instantly with over 300 different ways to pay. So click this button, which is highlighted in green, to go and buy Bookworm now using Paxful. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, you can go to the West Coast website. There are over 150 pages that you can read. So thanks for watching, and I hope you learned how to buy bookworms easily using Paxful.